Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then create the foundation. Register your app bundle ID and generate an OAuth client ID in the provider console. Once done, make sure to note the redirect URI and permitted scopes because these are used during token exchange. You will install the Mobile SDK or CLI now. This gives you helper methods and secure storage for tokens. Start implementing the SDK initialization early so subsequent steps reference consistent config values and avoid mismatched identifiers. You now implement the core authorization flow, wire a login button to the SDK authorize method, and request the minimal scopes you need. Once the provider returns the redirect with an authorization code, exchange that code securely on device or via a backend to obtain access and refresh tokens. This prevents exposing client secrets. Make sure to validate state and non-C values to prevent CSRF and replay attacks. Finally, store tokens in the platform key store or encrypted storage to keep them safe. You finish by testing the complete sign-in, refresh, and logout flows across scenarios and devices. Check that refresh tokens renew access without repeated prompts. If you rely on single sign-on between apps, verify they share the same OAuth client or use a secure broker so sessions propagate. Finally, implement robust error handling, for example retry on network failure and forced youth on invalid tokens. If things go wrong, clear stored tokens first, then rerun the auth flow to isolate config verses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.